My dear friends, welcome to the YouTube channel. Today, we are going to deal with the topic alteration occurring in nuts, oilseeds, and spices. Some oilseeds have acquired a great significance in the large scale industrial production of edible oils. You have already studied that most fats and oils consist of triacyl glycerols which differ in their fatty acid compositions to a certain extent. Other constituents are the unsaponifiable fraction which make up less than 3% of fats and oils and a number of acyl lipids, example traces of free fatty acids, mono and diacyl glycerols. Soybean and peanut or groundnut oils are of great economic importance. Refined soybean oil contains branched furan fatty acids in low concentrations which are rapidly oxidized on exposure to light. This can lead to the production of the intensive aroma substance 3-methyl 2,4 non-andione, which along with diacetyl is involved in the occurrence of bean-like, buttery, hay-like aroma defect called as reservoir flavor. In the complete absence of light, soybean oil is relatively stable. The shelf life of the oil is also improved significantly by partial hydrogenation to give a melting point in the range of 22 to 28 degrees Celsius or 36 to 43 degrees Celsius. Such oils are utilized as raw materials for the manufacture of the margarine and shortening. Processing of fats and oils is significant in the removal of undesirable components present in the raw material. Refining process comprises of lecithin removal, degumming, free fatty acid removal, bleaching, and odorization to remove contaminants. Now we move on to the spices. You are aware that some plants in dried or in fresh form with intensive and distinctive flavors and aromas are used as seasoning or spices. The aroma substances in most spices are present as essential or volatile oils which are obtainable by steam distillation. The main oil constituents are either mono and sesquiterpenes or phenols and phenol ethers. Black pepper contains 3 to 8% of the piperine as most important pungent substance. Pepper is sensitive to light. In the processing and storage of ginger, gingerol gets easily dehydrated to show gall, increasing the pungency. Spices are marketed unground or as coarsely or finely ground powders. The flavor is improved when the spices are ground using a cryogenic mill. After grinding, the shelf life of spices is limited. Crushed spices rapidly lose their aroma and absorb aromas from other sources. Leaf and herb spices are dried before they are actually crushed. The loss of aroma substances depend on the spice and on the drying conditions. With regard to the aroma preservation, the best results are obtained by freeze drying when the water content is reduced to 16%. If you like this video, please like, comment and subscribe. Thank you.